Cucumbers are very versatile. They're great as a snack, add a crunchy bite to your salad, and can bring your sandwich up to the next level. But this vegetable isn't just tasty and versatile, cucumbers have a lot more to offer. Hydration. Regardless of how diligently you attempt, occasionally you simply don't figure out how to drink multiple glasses of water. Fortunately, there are alternate ways of remaining hydrated too, and eating cucumber is a great way. The vegetable consists mainly of water. In fact, 90% of it is water. Definitely, a tasty and easy way to stay hydrated. Good bowel movements. Apart from water, cucumbers also contain fibers. This is an amazing combination that will help people with their visits to the toilet for a number 2. Cucumbers likewise contain compounds that can part protein, which assists us with processing items that contain a great deal of protein and are in this way hard to digest, similar to meat and fish. Snack. Cucumber is a great snack. It's not as addictive as crisps or chocolate because it doesn't contain any fats or sugars. Plus, if you do end up binging on some cucumber, there's no issue at all. The vegetable is so low in calories that it's impossible to gain weight by eating it. Fresh breath. If you have bad breath, eating some cucumber can help reduce it. This is since the vegetable can meaningfully affect the stomach, and this will reduce the number of bacteria that are causing the bad breath. Hangover. Drank a few too many beers last night. Don't despair, the green vegetable will make you feel alright again. Cucumbers contain both water and vitamin B, which is a great combination when you want to make up for the deficits the alcohol has caused in your body. Happy skin. Body. Cucumbers are often used in skin treatments because they contain potassium, magnesium, and silica. Apart from that, they also contain anti-inflammatory properties. Because of this, the cold slices of cucumber can help swollen eyelids to settle down again. If you've got sunburn, slices of cucumber can also help to alleviate the pain.